What do you call a stolen yam? A hot potato. You're welcome.
So we flattened it all out for us, and now we're ready to start growing some grass and plant a garden.
It's really nice already. Like it's done. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah. That's Scalper.
She can even fly. Can't believe chickens can fly. She's the one who mostly likes to fly. Our other chickens can fly, but they don't usually. They don't do it a lot. Mom,
Yeah?
sometimes I trip when I'm running on here, but I get up again, so it's like this.
Oh,
My
that's
foot
good.
gets stuck for a minute, but
In
my
the
whole
house, I
body, but my whole body doesn't fall over.
That's good.
Get your finger off.
That was a joke that
You had a
didn't go
bruise on
well.
it.
I know, it's from you.
Wait. Okay, give me that knife before you get it all dull. Beat it off the metal. Sound like kitty litter.
Yeah, let's just use it in the house. Things start growing in their litter. How fun!
Hey, there's a face on this. Oh, I wiped it away. I know there's some people that really love this here little grass cart. And since you love it so much, I'm going to let you watch me use it again. Because this is what we have. We don't have any of those other things. We have this wonderful piece of machinery right here. So let's go!
Let's go! We also have a 5-year-old, free labor. The reason we're doing it today is because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and Saturday. Tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. So get all the seed out now, and then hopefully the rain will help sink it in and get it growing. What the heck's that? Piece of plastic.
Got a human skull in it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awkward. Let's throw it off the side there.
Yeah. Right?
We tell them what this is, Timothy and clove mix. Some people might not have heard.
Yeah. I didn't mention it again, no.
Is it on?
Yeah.
All right. If you didn't know, now you know. Put it in four-wheel drive.
So here we're gonna set up the garden. So before Jeremy puts any of the grass seed over where the garden is, we're just gonna add some logs to kind of like frame it out so we know where the garden's going to be, and then we don't throw any grass into that area. So that's what we're doing now.
We'll like sort it all out.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the outline of the garden. So it's not that big, but we're just going to try a few things out this year and see how it goes. We did onions and potatoes a couple years ago. That was pretty easy. This year we're going to try a bunch of other stuff. So if this ain't big enough, it'll be pretty easy to move these sticks vertically this way. Then we'll continue on down this end. Right? Real professional setup here. And this wouldn't be a true Canadian garden without the hockey stick. Since it's a small garden, this is the junior hockey stick. Hey, worst case scenario, it doesn't work out. We got an outline for a hockey rink this winter.
It is Joe Sakic scores!
I'm gonna scoop up a bit of this soil and put it in the wheelbarrow and take it over to the garden.
Well, I ran out of seed and our truck's in getting fixed and the last bag of seed is in the truck. So I gotta go get that to finish this half here.
I'm picking all the rocks out of this dirt so it's good to go in the garden. So I got a good bunch here and I picked out all the rocks, and now I'm gonna go take it over to the garden and spread it with the rake. It'll probably take me quite a few loads because it's a pretty decent sized garden, so work at it slowly. Things look like rocks, but they're not. It's just like super ridiculously hard dirt or something. There's definitely got to be a rock in there. Got it. That sucker was driving me nuts. I got a bunch of it raked up. I'm done for today. It's looking way better now.